My name's Greg Forsyth. I'm the Director of Capital Projects for Spokane Public Schools. I oversee the implementation of the bond dollars and work towards the facilities and maintenance and upkeep of all of our 60 buildings here in Spokane Public Schools. One of the things we pride ourselves on in Spokane is that we maintain our buildings so that we can have a longer life within those buildings. If you don't have a bond, well, what we end up with is trying to maintain inefficient and inconsistent equipment. And that gets really difficult. This allows us to have capital dollars to improve our buildings and not take it from the general fund. 10 to 15% of the bond goes to annual capital. And they do more extensive work than our maintenance are able to do. Whether it's roofs, HVAC, air quality systems, or flooring, parking lots, sidewalks, playgrounds,